Definitions for PMP, PMIACP and Agile exams. Acceptance Test-Driven Development, ATDD. Creating test criteria collaboratively before delivery starts. Agile, a mindset of values and principles. Agile Coach, an experienced individual who trains, mentors, and guides teams through their Agile transformation. Agile Lifecycle, an iterative and incremental approach to project delivery with frequent deliveries. Agile Manifesto, the official definition of Agile values and principles. Agile Mindset, a way of thinking and behaving based on the Agile Manifesto's values and principles. Agile Practitioner, Agilist, a person who embraces Agile values and collaborates with cross-functional teams. Agile Principles, the 12 principles of Agile as embodied in the Agile Manifesto. Agile Unified Process, a simplified approach to developing software using Agile techniques and concepts. Anti-pattern, a known flawed pattern of work that should be avoided. Automated code quality analysis, scripted testing of a codebase for bugs and vulnerabilities. Backlog, product backlog, a list of project requirements that the team collaboratively reviews and updates to satisfy customer needs. Backlog refinement, the ongoing activity of elaborating project requirements to satisfy customer requests. Behavior-driven development, BDD, a design and validation practice using test-first principles and English-like scripts. Blended Agile, combining two or more Agile frameworks, methods, elements, or practices. Blocker, impediment, something that is hindering or blocking the team's progress. Broken comb, paint drip, a person with multiple skill sets at varying depths, also known as T-shaped and I-shaped. Burn down chart, a graphical representation of the remaining work versus time left in a time box. Burn-up chart, a graphical representation of the completed work toward a product release. Business Requirement Documents, BRD, a listing of all requirements for a specific project. Cadence, a rhythm of execution, also known as a time box. Collective code ownership, any team member can modify project work products or deliverables, emphasizing team-wide ownership and accountability. Continuous delivery, delivering feature increments immediately to customers through small batches of work and automation technology. Continuous integration, frequently integrating and validating each team member's work products with one another. Cross-functional team, a team that includes practitioners with all the skills necessary to deliver valuable product increments. Crystal family of methodologies, a collection of lightweight Agile software development methods focused on adaptability to a particular circumstance. Daily Scrum, daily stand-up, a brief daily collaboration meeting in which the team reviews progress, declares intentions, and highlights obstacles. Definition of Done, DOD, a team's checklist of criteria required to consider a deliverable ready for customer use. Definition of Ready, DOOR, a team's checklist for a user-centric requirement with all the information needed to begin work. DevOps, practices for improving collaboration between development and operations staff to create a smooth flow of delivery. Disciplined Agile, DA, a process decision framework for incremental and iterative solution delivery. Double-loop learning, a process that challenges underlying values and assumptions to better elaborate root causes and devise improved countermeasures. Dynamic Systems Development Method, DSDM, an Agile project delivery framework. Evolutionary Value Delivery, EVO, the first Agile method that focuses on delivering multiple measurable value requirements to stakeholders. Extreme Programming, XP, an Agile software development method that leads to higher quality software, more frequent releases, and greater responsiveness to changing customer requirements. Feature-Driven Development, FDD, a lightweight Agile software development method driven from the perspective of features valued by clients. Fit for purpose. A product suitable for its intended purpose. Fit for use. A product is currently usable in its current state to fulfill its intended purpose. Ideal. An organizational improvement model that is named for the 5 phases it describes: initiating, diagnosing, establishing, acting, and learning. Impact mapping. A strategic planning technique that acts as a roadmap to the organization while building new products. Impediment. Blocker. An obstacle that prevents the team from achieving its objectives. Increment. A functional, tested, and accepted deliverable that is a subset of the overall project outcome. Incremental life cycle. An approach that provides finished deliverables that the customer may be able to use immediately. Information radiator. A visible, physical display that provides information to the rest of the organization, enabling up-to-the-minute knowledge sharing without having to disturb the team. I-shaped. Refers to a person with a single deep area of specialization and no interest or skill in the rest of the skills required by the team. Iteration. A time-boxed cycle of development on a product or deliverable in which all of the work that is needed to deliver value is performed. Iterative life cycle. An approach that allows feedback for unfinished work to improve and modify that work. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.